guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you know it's gonna be a good day when we have a Madame Glam haul. So I actually got two packages from them. I got one that was their latest collection, and then I actually had asked for these paints. So I literally was dying when I saw these. So I saw them, I guess it would be a month and a half ago, maybe a month ago, because we are on the 13th of January. And I asked them, I said, can I please get these because they are stunning, like obsessed. So I already know I'm gonna like them, so if you're looking for something that's biased, this is it for you, because again, I already know I like them. So we got the 6 paints, and then she also sent over the Ultra liner. Ooh, okay. Oh, I love how thin that is. Do we see? There we go. Do we see how thin that was? And there's a cap. Y'all know I am a gel with a cap person, so definitely excited about that one. And then this one, application brush. Okay. Application. Get that out of the way. A nice flat brush here. Do you see how flat that tip is? Like this part right here, that is going to be amazing for application. And now there is like starch in here, so you want to kind of press it through. And then I actually like to take some clear gel to kind of like prep the brush, so I will do that before we start. So I got these two, and then it looks like they sent over this guy, which is holographic cat eye. Okay. You know I'm never gonna turn down that. Let's go ahead and prep the brush that I had talked about. So I'm just taking some clear gel. This is Gelish Foundation, my new bottle. I'm so excited. And you can see there's like hardly anything. Well, I don't know if you can see it's clear. There's literally like nothing on this guy. Just pushing it in. And this is going to give you a much smoother application with gel already in the brush. So going to just wipe off the clear. And that's how I clean my brushes as well. So if I have any, you know, color in them or junk in them, I will just take some clear gel and wipe it through. First, we're going to swatch that holographic cat eye. Ooh, this would be pretty over something. Yeah, I don't know if, are you gonna be able to see that? Here, I'm gonna maybe do this. Does that help? This is very difficult now that I have this. Honestly, okay, I can see it in camera. So when I do cat eyes like this, like if I want this to be the only color on my nails, what I would normally do is I would do a first coat, do not cure it, and then come in with a second coat. So I'm gonna show you how I would normally do it. Come in with your first coat. And since this is cat eye, I like to just give it a second and kind of let it calm down before curing. Now that that is cured, I'm coming in with my second coat. And now I'm trying to get it to react away. There we go. There we go. Just slammed with the other one. So you can see it gives it more of a full coverage versus the first one. Here's the first one with no undercoat. Super holographic still, but I do like to point out if you want it to be obviously more opaque, you have to do this one with the coat under it. So you guys can have a little bit of a reference over a color. Okay, I'm obsessed with holographic. Oh, that probably, well, I may have just ruined it, but we'll see. Yeah, I did, by grabbing the magnet under it. It's fine. To reset your cat eye, all you have to do is go through it again, and it will reset. There we go. Right? Obsessed. We are on to the paints. The name is right on top. It's fine. Ultra pink. I'm so bad at these. Actually, hang on. Let me open all of these and I will be right back. Okay. All right, I'm straight up talking to myself, did not press record. So the reason I cut the middles out instead of just flat out opening it, which I wish I would have done with all of my gels, is it will help it from spilling because it keeps it all in the middle. This is ultra pink and a stunning color. Next up is hot coral. Yes, look at this coral. It is definitely hot indeed. Beautiful. I also want to mention these are tack free, and that's what makes the difference with paints, is that you literally can do this on top of a full, you know, finished nail. Next up is Glow Orange. Y'all, these go perfect with the new colors they just released. I think these would go great with them, especially coming in and adding like these colors on top of it. I'll link down the video that I did with those colors. Next up is Electric Yellow. Oh my goodness. Look at this yellow. Holy camole. This yellow, I don't even know if it's going to show up true on camera. Y'all, this is a yellow. Look at that. I mean, that's actually pretty true. It looks a little more green in the video than in real life, but look at it. Next up is Vivid Green. Beautiful. I wonder how these would ombre because they're so bright. We should check how they ombre at the end. Last but not least, Dynamic Blue. Looks like a really nice medium blue. Super pretty. Honestly, I think this is completely needed. A gel paint that is accessible to everyone. and that is not a pro product. I really do think this is going to be super convenient to a lot of people. I don't have a purple in here. To be honest, I probably would have liked to have this been a purple, but they may already have a purple, and that could be gap filling. But I do feel like a purple is missing. I have a purple, so that's fine. But if you don't, I could see that would obviously be a hole if you're trying to fill that rainbow. Again, I do have a discount code. I say this in every video, but usually they're running the sale better than my discount code. So I will go ahead and make sure to link these below. And again, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending these to me. They are beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.